The job's won. Let's make it real. From the CRM, open the lead you've been nurturing. Everything you've captured here is about to carry across. Scroll down the lead, past the estimates and source files, to the green Ready to Convert section. That's the one we want. Click Convert to Project. The details are already filled in from the lead. The project name, the site address, the clients. Tick this box, and every document you've collected comes across too, straight into the project. Then hit Create and Convert. And that's it. Your lead is now a live project, linked back to its whole history. The inquiry, the estimate, the quote, the paperwork. One unbroken thread from first phone call to first slab. And when a job lands without an estimate or a quote, a referral, a repeat client, go to All Projects and hit New Project. A 5-step wizard gives you a live project from scratch. Use whichever path fits the job. Next up, setting your project up for success.